Welcome to Fun Talk English channel.
Hi, how are you today?
Hi, I'm good, thank you. How about you?
Hi, how are you today?
Hi, I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm feeling great. I had a good morning.
That's nice. What did you do this morning?
I woke up early and had a big breakfast.
That sounds nice. What did you eat?
I had eggs, toast, and orange juice.
Yum, I love orange juice.
What about you? How was your morning?
It was okay. I woke up late, so I was in a rush.
Oh no, did you eat breakfast?
Just a little, I had some cereal.
Well, at least you ate something.
Yes, but I was almost late for school.
That's not good. Did you run to get there on time?
Yes, I walked really fast.
Ha ha. Well, I'm glad you made it.
Thanks. What are you doing now?
I was just relaxing and enjoying the weather.
Oh, it is a nice day today.
Yes, the sun is shining, and it's not too hot.
Perfect weather, it makes me feel happy.
Speaking of feelings, how do you feel now?
I feel a little tired.
Maybe you need some rest later.
Yes, I think I'll take a nap later.
That's a good idea. A short nap can help a lot.
Yes, how about you? How do you feel now?
I still feel great. Talking to you makes me happy.
That's nice. Talking to you makes me happy too.
Oh, I'm glad we talked today.
Me too. Let's talk again soon.
Definitely. See you later.
See you later. Bye.